Hello, this is Michael with Winter Promise. We're doing another video to take you inside some of our key resources, and today we're taking you inside of a newly released program, or newly updated, I should say. It's our Your One of a Kind Human Body program. This is the journal for that program that we created this year for it. It's full color, and we want to take you inside of this. Now, this program works. There's two human body and forensics programs. There's the high school and junior high version. Then there's the middler, or 3rd through 7th grade version. And the 3rd through 7th grade is what we updated. And this is the journal for that program. So I just wanted to highlight a few things here for you. So as you open it up, it jumps right in. So one of the aspects of our premium journals, and this would count as a premium journal, is that you get text included that they get to read and learn. So it kind of becomes a spine resource as well, but it's not just reading, as you're going to find out. So to show you a few of these, there's always lab reports and activities, and these great diagrams and illustrations to show what's going on. And so I just wanted to highlight a couple of sections. So if we turn here to page 42, this is about bones. So they'd have an introductory reading. There's other books that coordinate, so this is not the only resource you'd be reading from. But then as you read, you see these great diagrams and illustrations. You actually learn about what cells inside of bones that make up bones that do different jobs. And those are illustrated right here. At the end of each passage, you have a lab report and a lab that you do. And so this is that interactive element. You have filling in and circling, which is really neat. And I wanted to show one more section. All right, so in this section, they're learning about the immune system and how diseases are contracted and how they affect the body, the lymph nodes, the lymphatic system. And so you actually see in these three right down here how diseases are actually invade the body, some examples of that. So you have that, again, that reading, and then this diagram here, and a little bit more reading. So so it's just a little bit of reading, and you can talk about it. That's one of the really cool things. If you have multiple students doing this program, they just have multiple copies of this. You can talk about it, you see it, and it's really vivid. And here, one of the aspects of this program is the forensic aspect, to how to identify using these different systems and how forensic scientists use that. So you have this forensic connection that you would talk about and discuss, and then you have a lab where you actually hear, it says in this picture above, you can see one step in the sequence of the death of a cancer cell. A cancer cell appears here and is spiky, typical of a cancer cell. A group of immune cells called macrophages have identified the cancer cell as a foreign matter and have started to stick to the cancer cell. So it's really cool. So you get to make observations, describe what you see and can identify from your reading, from this resource, from the other books. And so it becomes really interactive. So even if you don't have a telescope at home, able to see live samples of things, we try to bring that experience onto the page. So that, again, this is inside of our Human Body and Forensics program, the journal, Your One of a Kind Human Body. This is perfect for 3rd through 7th grade.